Keep your tile layout straight by setting a reliable grid and verifying alignment before any mortar goes down. Start by snapping chalk lines for both axes from accurately measured center lines and extend them across the whole floor so every tile references the same grid. Dry lay the large format tiles without spacers to confirm how full and cut tiles will land at walls and to identify any cumulative offset or lippage risks. When you begin setting tiles, pick a workable section no larger than what you can adjust in 20 to 30 minutes and butter the substrate with a notch trowel sized for the tile to ensure full transfer and consistent bedding. Use uniform spacers between tiles and a couple of temporary guide wedges at the ends of rows to hold the spacing while the mortar grabs. Check alignment frequently with a straight edge and use a spirit level across multiple tiles to confirm flatness and to detect any drift away from the grid lines. Avoid using the room perimeter or a single corner as your reference because walls are rarely square and that will produce progressive misalignment. Common mistakes include relying on a wall as the reference, which causes cumulative drift, so always base your layout on snapped center lines and measure from those lines to each edge. Another mistake is skipping a dry run. If you do not lay out loose tiles first, you may discover near the end that multiple narrow cuts are needed, so dry lay to adjust the grid before setting mortar. A third frequent error is inconsistent mortar application, which leads to uneven tiles and walking drift, so use the correct notch size for the tile. Check for full coverage by lifting a tile occasionally, and work in small sections so you can properly align and beat tiles into full contact. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare profiles and recent project photos, and we also help contractors find new leads and display their work. We host a community discussion area where users and pros share layout tips, recommend tools, and troubleshoot common tile installation issues.